In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line chart inside a cell in Excel. Before we start, make sure you have a worksheet open with the numbers you want to visualize arranged in a single row or a single column. It helps if the values are continuous and on a similar scale, because that makes the line easier to read once it's inside a cell. First, head to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where all charting tools live. On that ribbon, look for the Chart section and click the line chart icon. The simple 2D line is perfect for a clean, compact look. Depending on your version of Excel, you may see an Insert Chart window, or Excel may prompt you to select your data. Next, highlight the data you want to plot. Click and drag over the exact range of cells that contains your numbers. If you include a header above or to the left of the data, Excel can use it as a label, which is useful but not required. While selecting, double-check that you're not picking up any blank cells or totals, since those can distort the shape of your line. When your range is set, confirm by clicking OK. Excel will insert a line chart onto your sheet. At this point, you've created the chart. To make it appear inside a cell, simply position and resize it so it sits neatly within the cell's boundaries. Drag the chart to the desired cell, then use the corner handles to scale it down. For a crisp fit, many users like to align it with the grid by dragging carefully until the edges line up cleanly. Keeping the aspect ratio modest and the chart narrow helps it read like an in-cell indicator rather than a full report. To make the mini chart even clearer, consider simplifying the visuals. If your chart shows a title, legend, or grid lines, removing those can free up space and keep the focus on the line itself. A thinner line weight and a solid color usually work best at this small size. Also, if your cell is too short to show the line clearly, slightly increase the row height or column width so the curve isn't cramped. That's all there is to it. Go to Insert, choose a line chart, highlight your data, click OK, and then place and size the chart so it lives inside a single cell. With just these actions, you can turn raw numbers into a compact visual that's perfect for dashboards, compact summaries, or quick trend checks right in your grid. Thanks for watching, and try this on a few rows to build a clean, at-a-glance overview of your data.